What's good, C3 family? Hope everybody's having a good Sunday afternoon. And we thought we would bring you a crypto conversation and chart. So, right now, we are just watching the market open and we're about 30 seconds away. So, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe, smash the like. And as you can see behind me, we got Sifu Crypto behind us working on our new logo. So that's really exciting. We are still here. We are still a part of the community. So with that being said, let's jump right into the charts. All right. So let's this is the total one chart. This is the total market cap in crypto. So it looks like our candle has printed. And it is looking a little more bullish than the last. So really hard to say though. If you've been paying attention, I'm sure you've noticed that we're a little high on our RSI, but our market cipher B has given us a buy dot a little while ago, which you need to go on a few of those to really mean something. But what we're mostly watching is this neckline right here, this green box. So basically, we see a big head and shoulders. Here's the left shoulder, head, and we could be coming in for more sideways action in another shoulder, right shoulder. So we could see it break down below this, and if it does, then we're probably going to go back down to around the 1.3 trillion. Actually, let me take that back. I would say the stop would be, right around 1.4. But anyway, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at 43,100. And as you've noticed, we've had this death cross on Bitcoin with the moving averages, which a death cross is when you have the lower moving average crossing down below the higher moving average. So we got the 200 crossing up over the 50. So that is typically a bearish sign, but you might be saying, well, why hasn't it dropped? It's because there's quite a bit of delay after this happens. So what we'll see is market manipulation up to a little bit of a pump. So just sit tight, be patient, guys. We could be seeing another little leg down. Comment down below what you guys think is going to happen. We're kind of just watching the charts. We haven't been in the market, haven't made a move otherwise either direction. So I'm sure though, if you've been following Phantom, you've noticed that this coin has been moving along its own type of trajectory. So we're actually getting really close to all-time highs again, which is around the 350 range. So this is a project we really like. I wouldn't recommend investing into it. As always, this is never financial advice. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so let's look at the altcoin market cap. And when we look at the altcoins, we see a lot more strength, but what we're seeing is rejection at this 50 EMA right here. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 days of rejection. So if we come up here and break above it, that's a pretty good sign for altcoins. Altcoins have been doing pretty decently compared to Bitcoin. ADA actually has been making a move the last 2 days, actually quite a bit of a move. So anyways, it made a death cross back here a while ago. So as you saw, once it made the death cross, we actually saw a little bit of a pump. So we saw a almost 30% pump, and then we saw the actual drop back down. So anyways, this could be coming around and actually doing a golden cross where we have the 50 break back up above the 200. So ADA, good project, lots of money in it, lots of locked up liquidity. Let's see if we have any comments. Nobody in the comments, no coins to look at. let's check out Ethereum actually. So ETH tells a little bit different story than Bitcoin. It looks better than Bitcoin, that's for sure. Also, though, you can see a lot of rejection around the 3,400 range. So this is just another psychological level it needs to get over to actually do something. So, but basically, guys, I just wanted to bring you a quick little overview and check out the candles that printed. So down here, Bitcoin on the weekly chart, this is kind of what we were watching for. It still just looks kind of flatline down here at the 0% range. So I don't expect any move out of Bitcoin anytime soon, but it's also holding support really well as well. So if we draw a support line, we definitely need to stay on this trajectory. Otherwise, it could get bad for a little bit. We could come back down to the 30 range, 32, 30. So anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions, comments, put them down below. And as always, remember, stay happy, healthy, and wealthy. C3 over and out.